Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The camera industry is evolving at a rapid pace, and 2025 is already shaping up to be a groundbreaking year for photography and videography. One of the most highly anticipated releases in the mirrorless camera space is the OM system OM-5 Mark II. This camera could be a game-changer not just for Micro Four Thirds users, but for the entire photography market. Why is this camera so important? What significant upgrades does it bring to the table? And how does it impact the future of MFT cameras? In this in-depth look, we'll break down everything you need to know about the OM-5 Mark II, and why it could be one of the most influential cameras of 2025. The legacy of Micro Four Thirds and the OMD series. To understand the significance of the OM-5 Mark II, we need to examine the history of Micro Four Thirds cameras. Introduced in 2008 with the Panasonic Lumix G1, MFT cameras revolutionized the industry by eliminating the traditional DSLR mirror mechanism, resulting in smaller, lighter camera bodies that still delivered professional-level performance. Olympus followed shortly after with the EP1 in 2009, further cementing the format's place in the industry. A pivotal moment for mirrorless cameras came with the launch of the OMD OM-5, which was compact yet packed with advanced features. One of its key highlights was industry-leading in-body image stabilization, which allowed photographers to capture ultra-steady shots even when shooting handheld. This camera proved that small form factor cameras could be powerful tools for both photographers and videographers. Now, fast forward to today, and OM Digital Solutions is preparing to launch the OM-5 Mark II. But what makes this camera such a big deal? Let's break down its key features, potential upgrades, and its role in shaping the future of photography. OM-5 Mark II. Key features and upgrades. The OM-5 Mark II is expected to bring several groundbreaking improvements over its predecessor. While the full specifications have yet to be officially confirmed, industry insiders and leaks suggest that the camera will feature several notable enhancements. 1. Advanced Sensor and Image Processing Engine. One of the biggest expectations for the OM-5 Mark II is an upgraded sensor. A more advanced sensor could mean improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, superior color accuracy, higher resolution output. If OM Digital Solutions integrates a stacked sensor, it could significantly boost speed, image clarity, and overall performance, making it an even more powerful tool for fast-action photography. 2. Faster autofocus with AI enhancements. Autofocus technology has seen major advancements in recent years, particularly with AI-powered subject tracking. Brands like Sony and Canon have already integrated deep learning algorithms into their autofocus systems, and OM system is expected to do the same. The OM-5 Mark II could feature AI-enhanced subject recognition, faster and more accurate eye tracking, advanced continuous autofocus for moving subjects. This would make the OM-5 Mark II an excellent option for wildlife, sports, and action photography, where quick and precise autofocus is critical. 3. Enhanced in-body image stabilization. One of the biggest selling points of OM system cameras has always been their industry-leading IBIS technology. The OM-5 Mark II is expected to refine this feature even further, potentially offering up to 8 stops of stabilization. This level of stabilization would allow for sharper handheld shots in low light, ultra-smooth handheld video footage, elimination of the need for tripods or gimbals in many shooting situations. 4. 4K 60 FPS and improved video capabilities. As the demand for high-quality video recording increases, the OM-5 Mark II is expected to cater to content creators and hybrid shooters with features like 4K 60 FPS recording, enhanced heat management for extended recording times, more efficient video codecs for better compression and quality, high bitrate recording for cinematic footage. These improvements would make the OM-5 Mark II a compelling choice for YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters looking for a versatile mirrorless camera. 5. Weather-sealed and lightweight build. The OMD series has a strong reputation for its rugged weather-sealed design. The OM-5 Mark II is likely to continue this tradition, offering dust-proof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof sealing, lightweight yet durable construction, improved ergonomics for better handling. For outdoor and travel photographers, these features make the OM-5 Mark II an ideal adventure companion. 6. Competitive pricing for a wider audience. Balancing performance with affordability is crucial in today's camera market. High-end cameras with premium features often come with a hefty price tag, making them inaccessible to many enthusiasts and entry-level professionals. If OM Digital Solutions can price the OM-5 Mark II competitively, it could attract a broader audience, bringing more users into the Micro Four Thirds ecosystem. Why the OM-5 Mark II is crucial for OM Digital Solutions. Since OM Digital Solutions separated from Olympus, the company has been working hard to establish itself as a major competitor in the camera industry. The launch of the OM-1 was a strong step forward, but it primarily targeted high-end professionals. The OM-5 Mark II has the potential to reignite interest in the Micro Four Thirds format, demonstrate that OM Digital Solutions remains a serious player, provide an alternative to APS-C and full-frame cameras, offer a high-performance camera at a more accessible price point. If successful, this camera could solidify OM Digital Solutions' reputation as a brand that continues to innovate and push the boundaries of mirrorless camera technology. Final thoughts. Should you be excited about the OM-5 Mark II? Absolutely! The OM-5 Mark II has the potential to be one of the most important Micro Four Thirds cameras released in recent years. With advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, video features, and stabilization, this camera could attract both new users and long-time Olympus fans. If OM Digital Solutions delivers on these rumored features, the OM-5 Mark II could prove that Micro Four Thirds still has a strong place in the industry. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or hybrid content creator, this camera might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay tuned for more updates, and let me know in the comments. Are you excited for the OM-5 Mark II? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest tech and camera news.